So guys, you're here for squash. So here we have a butternut squash. And if you look on this side down here, look closely, you'll see there's a flower with just a plain stem, just a normal stereotypical stem. And if you look to the right hand side, you see a flower with a bulbous part. So this side here is the female, and this lad on the right is the male. So most of the time insects will pollinate, and so we don't have to intervene, but if you're a bit worried about the insects not doing their job, what you can do is use your finger and stick your finger in here and pollinate it that way, or get a paintbrush and pollinate it that way, or break off the flower and make them and rub them together. And for all you kinky people, this is not a threesome, so calm down. So yeah, that's how you propagate, and that's how you distinguish your squash flowers basically. And basically all the squash type family members, for example a cucumber, this will be cucumber shaped, the female flower, and if you've got courgette or zucchini, this will be zucchini shaped. So there you go.